Hi friends, welcome to this ANR education channel. So in previous videos actually I have discussed that is grammar. What is a grammar? I have explained actually. So what is the grammar and actually so what type of rules are there and what is the rules also I have explained. So how rules came into in English language, not only in English but also in any language actually. I told you that actually by giving suggestion is nothing but rules actually the experts actually made giving suggestions are nothing but rules only. No need to worry about rules here actually. In this video I'm going to discuss with you that how many words are there in English language. Everyone gets actually. So how many learns are needed to learn English language? See, no need to worry about that learning English words actually. But in English language, see there are number of words. You may think that actually, sir, you are talking about actually number of words. Then how many number of words are there? See, for making you clear, I have written on the board actually. That is in English language there are 10 lakhs words in English language. So you may think that actually, yeah, you are telling that actually there are 10 lakhs words in English language. It is possible to learn. Is it possible to learn 10 lakhs words in English? Yeah, it's a possible to learn, but actually it takes time. Everything, not only this actually. So if you want to achieve everything, so in the world, it takes time. No need to worry about that actually, but it takes time. So there is some tips also in English language to learn actually to cross 10 lakhs words also. See here actually what type of tips are there in English language. See here, you may think, yeah, see, there are more than 10 lakhs words in English language, and also the most repeated dictionaries. The most repeated dictionaries like Oxford and Longman, etc. They print actually, those dictionaries were printed 3 to those dictionaries actually. In that dictionaries there are 3 to 4 lakhs words are printed only. See, in learning 3 lakhs and 4 lakhs words also, it is very difficult to learn. And also see, no need to learn that much words also in English language to learn English language, to speak English language also. See here, we know already well actually. So that see, Oxford says only 3000 words are enough to learn English language. Yeah, it's absolutely right that actually we no need to learn lot of vocabulary, isn't it actually? If you learn, then we will become experts, most experts. See here, Oxford only says that actually 3000 words are enough to speak English language. That actually I'm going to say that actually already we know some of the words. Already we know some of the words actually. We don't know how to arrange in a correct manner. See, that in order to arrange in a correct manner, that actually just we know only so 1000 or 1500 words in English language. If you know completely how to arrange those words actually in a correct manner, then we will get language easily to speak fluently also. So far actually we do not know how to arrange in a correct manner those words, so that's why we are getting little bit difficulty. That's why, so that I that difficult also I'm going to make very easy to learn actually to arrange in a correct manner in a sentences while speaking and also while writing. That is actually, so for learning English language, actually for learning 10 lakhs words or 3 lakhs or 4 to lakhs words also. So there is a one tip actually in English language. So that was not told by me, but actually some of experts told. That is actually for learning English language words, English words. So there are actually so parts of speech in English language. So those words, all those words are divided into parts of speech. Nothing but actually there are 8 parts of speech in English language. See here, by knowing 8 parts of speech in English language, the completely we can cross learning 10 lakhs words also easily. But it takes time friends, actually no need to worry about that. Actually we no need to learn that much words also. Just only a few words are enough to learn English language. See here actually, so for learning English words actually, so Britishers introduced, nothing but some of experts introduced actually parts of speech for learning. So those words in arranging in a correct manner also. So that's why, see, I'm so the in next video actually I'm going to discuss about parts of speech only. We know well actually parts of speech, there are a lot of people already who taught completely parts of speech, that is actually noun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjunction also. You may think that actually so already taught several people, so why you are going to teach again actually parts of speech. See here actually, so if I want to teach completely parts of speech, you will come to know that actually how to learn how to learn a lot of words in English language, for making you clear that actually how to learn English words. So parts of speech is very important in English grammar. Without parts of speech we can't learn English grammar. That's why in the next video I am going to discuss about parts of speech only. Okay friends, I think we have understood well that is actually so how many words are there in English language. So in dictionaries how many words are printed also, and also how many words are enough to learn English language. See, just actually I have written here on the board. So if you want you can write also that what I wrote on the board. It will be very very helpful to you also, because actually I wrote neatly. So it is a very very useful actually to write and to know also, because actually if you know completely these words, we are going to tell to others also you how to learn. So this much words are enough to learn English language. So that's why in next chapter I'm nothing but next the our next chapter is parts of speech. In next video I am going to discuss with you only parts of speech. Okay friends, today I think you have learned actually something, so that how many words are there. So if you want to get updation of my video, please subscribe, my friends. Thank you, friends.